God, why now? Why now? Eh? Oh my God, why? This guy has to stop now, and they have a sound.
Problem upon problem, everyday problem.
Oh God, I think I got this guy. My grateful to all this.
Father, please pray for me. Father, please pray for me.
Now I don't know. This mechanic, he said he has fixed this thing now. Oh goodness. Pick up your call now, for Christ's sake.
Have you seen what you done to me?
Not
Have
now.
you seen what you done to me?
Oh my goodness. This is terrible. How am I going to do this thing?
Hello.
Who sent you this man? Who sent you?
Like you're stranded.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Actually, I don't know what happened. My car just stopped here and I don't know. I'm trying to reach my mechanic. I don't know, he's not picking up.
Yeah. So, let him be the fault now.
How am I supposed to know? I don't know.
Don't say this work with Sabia. You understand? Okay. Now, work we will learn. We will do school.
Alright.
So, I go try for you, man. See.
Okay.
Okay. You know what's going to happen? You go just there they look this engine for me.
I should be looking at it.
Just they look the engine eye for me. Make I enter the under.
Okay.
Just they look. I get I go touch there. The thing they do. Let me know. Yeah.
Alright. You mean the engine, right?
Just they look the engine for me. You don't look at.
Who sent you there, Dobbs? Who sent
No,
you?
what you don't do.
No, it's not. No, not yet.
You never do.
No.
Just they look at.
You mean the engine, right?
Just they look the engine eye. You don't see him. You don't do.
You never do now.
No, just they look at my dream. Make a touch.
Are you still doing it?
There look, keep on looking. There look, keep
I
on
see
looking.
something.
There look.
Hello? My goodness.
Okay.
Udoka.
What are you doing?
Sorry. Make I check the engine. The battery.
I wonder.
Are you seriously looking under my skirt?
Madam, let me that now. That's why let me help. I want to help you.
You want to help me? Is this how to help?
Madam.
Is this how to help?
I think make them look something. Say get waiting they do can make answer the touch this.
Okay, go down there again and do that thing.
Go down there.
Go down there and do that thing. Repeat what you are doing.
Go down.
I don't know why people know they like good thing for this life. If person want help person, not me just enter now. Make I just touch one or two hands so that you go. Madam, if no one make I help you.
You sabu.
Down there.
Madam, you charge this clothes.
Go down. I say go down.
Not be
Stop.
people know they like
Go
good
down.
thing.
Get down.
Not be waiting for they will look inside that place.
I am not looking anywhere. Go down again.
No, they look. Make I show you where they put
Go
them.
down. I'm looking at you. Go down.
He bet
Go
you.
down.
I know, madam, just they look that battery for me.
Go down. Go on down.
I just feel.
Goodness. Can you just imagine? This is terrible. I don't blame you. I blame this stupid mechanic.